Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the rear 4 screws with a T8, then lift the shell with a plastic pry tool. Once open, disconnect the battery connector gently so you don't short anything. Make sure you organize screws by hole. This prevents mixing similar sizes. Use photos as a map. While the controller sits open, inspect analog assemblies for debris, torn boots, or sticky lubricant. This initial access gives you the ability to fix the real cause of stiffness, rather than guessing. Once you've removed the analog modules, you'll see why stiffness happens: dirt, old gummed lubricant, or torn rubber boots. You clean by dabbing 90% plus isopropyl on a swab and wiping the pot and shaft, then blowing out debris with short bursts of compressed air. Make sure to move the stick while cleaning to work fluid into contact points. If boots are torn, replace them. If gears are dry, apply a very small amount of PTFE grease. Too much makes things sluggish. Reassemble carefully. Reconnect the ribbon and battery, align the shell, and tighten screws in the same pattern you removed them. Once closed, pair or plug in the controller and run a full range test. Move each stick through its travel slowly and quickly to confirm smooth return and no dead zones. If you still feel stiffness, swap in a known good analog module or check for trapped debris or misaligned boot. That single troubleshooting swap isolates whether the module itself is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.